Yeah, so that's what's going on now. So we're planting, we have the dumplings almost cooked, and we're gonna add a little piece of potato. Should we do that? The mackerel. So to prepare the mackerel, I'm just gonna have one onion. You can put carrot in it if you want. I'm not actually gonna use it. I'm gonna put salt's brother, which is pepper. I'm gonna use 2 tins, but you can use whatever portion you need. But know that even if I have this by itself for dinner, because I cook so, yeah, like that. Carrots. So I'm just going to use this onion. Some people put garlic in there, but just a red onion for me. It doesn't have to be red, it can be white. Yeah, so now I'm just going to cut 1 red onion. Let's do it. Oopsie daisy. This is not my onion chopping board. It's fine. This is my fruits chopping board. It's alright. I'm just rough cutting these onions. If you have a pepper, you can cut a pepper in it as well. It is nice and hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it to saute my onions, in terms of maybe 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of oil. Not a lot, you don't cook with a lot of oil. Them slowly. Ooh. And I don't like it too soft because I like to taste the onions. But then and I'm not making a curry, but to make it cook quicker, I'm going to sprinkle some salt. And I'm going to put salt's brother, which is pepper. And of course black pepper. Let's give this a little spin around. Now for the main ingredient, which is going to be our protein. I like my mackerel in tomato sauce. Pity I never have the Jamaican braised mackerel with tomato sauce and some chili pepper, but this will do. It doesn't have to be from Tesco, it can be from anywhere. Just some cheap mackerel, tomato sauce. In Jamaica they call this dish dirty girl, dark small. But normally eating on a Thursday, don't ask more either. But, or should I say, if you know why, put it in the comment section. But I never figured out why that was. I'm going to add a tiny bit of olive oil to that just to loosen up the sauce. You can add water, but I'm going to add a tiny bit of olive oil. You can see that? Not too much. Tiny bit of olive oil is in. I'm going to add a tiny bit of tomato ketchup just for some extra flavor. Tomato ketchup is going to be a bit rich, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. Just on the spoon like so. And look how that's coming together nicely. So you can have some nice flavour, some food for a small amount of money. This is £1.20, and if you buy an onion, well, big bag of onions for 60 peas. One onion is probably for 10 peas or 15 peas. And you get all this. Adding a little bit more water to it, not too much, just to bring the sauce out. We have a lot of dumplings, so I want to have that sauce to eat on the dumpling. Yeah, like that. Who would tell that 2 small tin of mackerel could look this big, eh? Add more water if you want more sauce. There's lots of tomato in there, so you're gonna get that nice tomato flavor.
We're gonna be late.
Now I'm just going to add a little bit more sauce, salt, just because I added some water. It's kind of dilute some of the flavor, not much. So let's add a little bit more salt to it. And a tiny bit of his brother pepper. That's that, folks. As I said, I'm not going to add any scotch bonnet pepper or any green pepper, chili pepper to it. I'm literally going to leave it like this. That's going to go well with the dumpling. I'll show you when I start dishing it out. See how that tastes. Let's do a little taste test, huh? Shall we? That is nice. That is nice. I can see the dumplings already cooked. So we have a meal. Let's get a little cut of that dumpling. A tiny bit of that mackerel to a different spoon. Huh? And let's test it in my daughter's little dish like this. Let's do this. That's nice. That's nice. To be honest, that's Moorish. Absolutely beautiful. But good things I have it for dinner later. Right, so there you have it, folks. As my battery comes to an end, we have healthy dumpling with some plantains, ripe plantain and potato, and 2 tin mackerel. Beautiful. Thanks for joining me. Remember to like my channel, subscribe. Thank you very much.